Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh to all of my students. So now in this video, Madam will make a simple explanation also for our new chapter, that's UBS Accounting System. So I want to say congratulations to all of my students because you guys already finished for our first part in this computerized accounting system subject. So we jump up into another part in this subject, that was using accounting software in generate our financial statement. So you as a student or future accountant, hopefully you must understand there is an accounting system that we use in generating our statement. So first of all, Madam want to share with you that using accounting software in generating our report for the financial statement for numbering data. So we use this accounting software because one of the advantage of using accounting software was cost effectiveness, because you will reduce number of staff using in preparing your report in financial part, as well as reliability of the data generated from this system, because they will reduce also the errors, the potential fraud, and maybe the wrongdoing by the humans error. Yeah, that's why we are encouraged to use this UBS accounting system. In addition, we are in 21st century, so number of transactions in a business client will increase. So using a manual way make some difficulties in generating our report in financial area. So of course, UBS accounting system is one of the latest and effective accounting system that we can have in our market. So we use this as one of your computerized accounting system tools in this subject. Yeah, just because of this semester we are online learning, so you must be able to prepare your own laptop or any devices to install this UBS accounting system, because as you understand that accounting UBS system, they are provided the license to use this. So I was asked buy from our developer or the system developer agent, that's Mr. Lee for Sabah. So they give us a best price, that was the 140, including the examination, online examination, and UBS itself will issues the certificate for the student who successful to pass or successfully answer the online examination provided by the UBS system HQ. Alright, so we just continue with our UBS accounting system. I want you to know that these are the subtopics that we will cover along the semester. Yeah. Alright, so first we will create chart of account or organized page, right? And then second, we will recording the transaction. You will learn how to record our transaction using this UBS accounting system, which is it's so easy, and I can guarantee you can easily understand, because they will provide you with a book, yeah, manual book for you to follow. And then third, we will learn how to generate the end transaction processing. And then you will also learn in departmental account using this UBS, and last but not least is a manufacturing account. So that's all. I hope along the semester you can follow my video in understanding deeply about certain area in doing this accounting software system manual books. Alright, I believe you already have your own manual book, so so that you can do your own exercise at home, at your own laptop, at your place. So if you have any question regarding this subtopic or certain exercises, you can also reach me at our room, that was a Telegram room for this subject. And I hope we can learn this UBS system successfully, so that after you finish your subject, you can use this as a extra knowledge for you as an accounting student in a real world place, yeah. So that's all. Thank you very much. Bye. To create a new account, we just click 8 and then we choose the preferred company's name. So here we use Sunny Electrical Company. Right. Then we click on the directory. We just select the directory and then we put here basically the year of that account. Yeah. That was a directory. Okay, then we save. After we save, we cancel and we select that company, and then we go to this generate file, and then we just click OK. Then yes. So this is the time given to the generate new data to this account. When you come to this interview, you just click below and then we type UBS and then sign in. Alright, and then it's come to this, and then you will fill all the cells here. Change the name to, so just now our company was what was that? Sunny Electrical, right? So we assume all these are the company's address and detail. So now it's come to the setup for the year of accounting. So if you follow this, they choose for ended 31st 12/2010. So these are the things that we should look properly. If you choose 2009, that was the ending of closing previously, and then we just starting with 1 means month 1 until month 12. Alright, and below you can see this accounting year was starting 1st January 2010 until 31st 2010 as you acquired as you accounting year that you want to set up here. So just click next, and then we choose the setup master now, and then we done. Okay, so basically UBS accounting, you can start your business details with a setup page. First we just follow the existing business. That was so easy. And after you choose one month and year, and then you come to this interface, you can see here they are prepared readily the type of business with the chart of account that possibly happen in this business. So you just choose which industry the company or your client are in. So I choose the trading company, right? And then types of account, this is the chart account that we have. You might do that after. So after you finish all the setting at the beginning, so we just come into this interface. So first what we're going to do is create chart account. We select general and then go to general file maintenance. We add the new one that we look what was already have here. So that was a capital and all the needed, because I will generate by automatic specifically for the trading company just now. But if you want to add new one, alright, if you want to add the new one, for example, here we got the fixed asset. Okay, if you want to set another new fixed asset, for example, maybe motor vehicle, right? So you just click add, and then after you click add, you just choose, for example, so if you want to create the new fixed asset, you must have the 2,000, and then maybe you will choose, for example, 2 or 3, so vehicle, and then that is the fixed asset. Okay, if you click there, you can see the vehicle. Okay, this is the experience, right? So easy. So now we want to print the chart account. So you just go to general and then print chart account, just click OK, and then all the chart of accounts will appear, and then just click print, right? Done, and then you will come into the print menu here. Yeah, just click OK, then you will get your copies of chart of account. Okay, now we proceed to modify an existing account. So if we already have a chart of account, but sometimes we put the chart account on the wrong elements in a financial statement. So we sometimes want to change it. So how to modify the existing account? The only way is go to housekeeping, and then we do administrative. We just click UBS and then you choose tools, and then double click the chart account. We just select the okay. I do one the goodwill. I will put it as a 3,000, which is goodwill, as actually as an other asset. So we change it into 210 with 00, and then we put in the other asset, and then we just click OK. Alright, so if you look into the chart account, and then you get it right, which is 2010 000 goodwill as a other asset. So this is how to modify it, right? Alright, now we want to delete existing account that there is a batch of account that the balance is 0. You can simply delete from the general ledger file maintenance. You find the chart of account that you want to delete. For example, we take here miscellaneous. Okay, remember that there is no transaction should be in this chart of account, yeah? So you can just delete. If there is a transaction in this chart of account, you cannot simply delete, yeah? So we choose the selected chart of account. We just click delete and then yes. Alright, so if you look at the chart of account, they no longer appear in this account, yeah? Okay. Right? That's the way. Alright, so now we organize our page. What is page actually? It is similar to your book or original entry or your journal. So before we key in our transaction, we have to plan and organize our page according to our needs. Yeah, so how to do that? We go to transaction, we organize page. So basically, if you can see that I already have my own page because I generate it automatically at the very beginning. But if you still want to add another one, we just click add, and then they appear over there, and then we just put an example, like we put the credit, okay, and then enter, we choose, for example, return in Word, journal, that is January 2010. Okay, we just put 10. Okay, and then you have another, if you open enter, yeah, that was how to set up an organized page. Right now, if you want to change or modify your page, you just go and then double click. You can just change it into, for example, like that. Yeah, January, you don't want to put the journal in full, you can maybe like that and then just enter. You can have that like this. Alright, so now we want to delete a page. Okay, this is another treatment, yeah. Alright, we go to housekeeping. As I remind you that using a housekeeping is it's a very sensitive menu. You do that or change any important part in housekeeping, so please do carefully. Alright, so back to delete a page. If you want to delete the page, you just click on the page and click delete, yes, and then same goes to another page that you think you will not use it. So just go out, you will go clicking on delete all the page that you previously used, and then just click OK. And then if you look again at that page, you can see there's no longer appear in your page, yeah.